how to repair Windows 11. So that is what I'm going to show you guys in this super quick and easy tutorial. So let's get into it. So the first thing that we need to do is to of course go here on our desktop, and then once you're now here, just go here on the bottom. So on the search bar, search for CMD and then click run as administrator. And then once you're here, the first thing that we need to do is to type sfc and then space / scan now and then click enter. And as you can see in my case, I need to restart my Windows. But if your computer is scanning right there, the next thing that we need to do is to just go here again on the search bar and then search for CMD again and then click run as administrator. Once you do that, the next thing that we need to do is to type DISM space online space / cleanup image space / check and then click enter. And then after that, once you do that, let's go here again on the search bar and then search for CMD and then run as administrator again. And then what we want to do here is just type DISM again space / online space / cleanup image space / and then this time we're going to type scan health and then click enter. And then once you do that again, what we need to do is to go here on the search bar and then type CMD again and then click run as administrator. And then what we're going to do is to type again DISM space / online space - cleanup image space / restore health, which is right there, and then just click enter again. And then once you do that, what we need to do here is to go here on the search bar again and then type run and then type CMD and then click run as administrator again. Then type chk dsk space / f space / r and then click enter. Now once you do that, just click Y right here and then click enter again. And then as you can see, this volume will be checked the next time the system restarts. Now once you do that, let's wait for the scans right here to be finished. And then after that, once it is all done, we can now restart our PC or our laptop, and then of course the Windows 11 will now be prepared. So that is basically it. That is how to repair Windows 11.